I got up early this morning and I was praying and kind of came to me to talk about imagination. And that's what came to my spirit. And I wanted to share a quick video with you because, I got 10-year-old twins and my wife and I are always saying, go outside and play and use your imagination. And that's a powerful force and it's a powerful gift that God gave us to use our imagination. Imaginations is we start to dream and imagine and create our future. And imagination is the image maker that you can utilize to create anything in your life. But as we get older, life comes at you and the failures start to happen and the setbacks start to happen and the discouragement can set in, and sometimes it's hard to keep that dream going and that imagination and that childlike feeling. And you kind of start getting into a rut of life and you're trying to just, get through the day or get through the month or, get through the year. And then that starts to happen. And so I wanted to encourage you today to start to dream again and start to use your imagination. It doesn't matter what age you're at, where you're at in life. What do you want? God gave you this gift. Start to imagine what you want. And here are 3 key things that you can utilize to help accelerate the process. Number 1, whatever that dream is, whatever you're imagining, put it up on the wall. If it's a new home, if it's to pay for your home, if it's to put your kids through college, put a picture of that college up there. If it's an income, create a check, put that check up there. What are you making on a monthly basis? And then, so start to visualize that and then go to the Bible and find a verse, get a word that inspires you, that links up to that. All things are possible through Christ which strengthens me. That's a very encouraging, powerful verse, and it fuels that faith and it drives you and it drives that imagination and that power to create, and the imagination triggers the subconscious mind and it starts to activate and it starts to bring things and events into your life. Very important to do that. Number 3 is go for it. Start to utilize it and start to pray and visualize on a daily basis of seeing yourself in that moment. Just take just a couple minutes in the morning when you're just waking up and visualize and see that and imagine yourself. Or if it's a new car, go to the dealership, sit in the car, visualize it, take it for a test drive, maybe more than one time and start to really feel like it's going to be like to own that car. Or if it's a new model home, go by and see that model home and experience it and imagine what it's going to be like. And the more detail and the more emotion that you can put into that feeling drives the imagination and makes it happen faster. And that's 3 steps that you can follow that help you to create in your life. Remember, the imagination is the image creator. You can create whatever you want in your life. You have the power to do that. Put it into action. Take care. God bless. Hope you enjoy it.